Hello everyone, you are requested to watch the meiosis first lecture uploaded on YouTube. The meiosis is a cell division in which chromosome number reduced to half in daughter cell from a parent. The meiosis is a complex type of cell division to achieve rejuvenation and recombination. It makes the way for evolution and diversity. Meiosis is usually associated with a formation of spores in a plant and gametes in the animal. It occurs only in a diploid cell. A meiosis is a type of cell division which involves the halving of a chromosome number. Therefore, it is called as reductional division. It is a process in which the chromosome duplicate only once but divide twice. Therefore, a formation of 4 haploid cells takes place. The meiotic division involves 2 successive divisions, the meiosis first, meiosis second. The meiosis first shows prophase first, metaphase first, anaphase first, telophase first. But the prophase first is very characteristic stage showing the 5 phases: leptotene, zygotene, pachytene, diplotin and dikinesis. So all these things regarding the meiosis first we have learned in last lecture. Now in this lecture we are going to learning the meiosis second in detail. You all are welcome in my channel College Botany, and you are learning the meiosis second with Yuvraj. A very short resting period in between the meiosis first and second is called interkinesis. The interkinesis may be present or may not be present. The meiosis second also shows 2 sub-stages that are a division of nucleus and a division of cytoplasm. The division of nucleus is called karyokinesis. The karyokinesis divide into 4 phases: prophase second, metaphase second, anaphase second and a telophase. While the division of cytoplasm is called cytokinesis. The 2 haploid cells are formed at the end of meiosis first, which undergoes the meiosis second and form four daughter cells. These are haploids. The meiosis second is also called equational division, like a mitosis, because the chromosome number remains same as a parental cell formed after the meiosis first. The stages in a meiosis second are prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase. So prophase second, during this phase, the cell becomes spheroidal. The refractivity and viscosity increases. The chromatin material become condensed. The chromosomes with chromatids become distinct. Nucleolus start to disappear. Nuclear membrane also start to disappear. The centrioles duplicates and migrate to the pole. The second phase is a metaphase second. During this phase, the spindle fiber formation takes place and chromosomes move toward the equatorial region. A one plane to form the metaphasic plate, or it is also called equatorial plate. The chromosomes connect with each other by a chromosomal fiber. After metaphase second, the anaphase second gets start. The centromere of each chromosomes splits and chromatids get separates from each other. Each chromatid is now called daughter chromosome. Between the centromeres of daughter chromosomes, interchromosomal fibers are formed. They move toward the opposite pole by a shortening, that is called contraction, of a chromosomal fibers and elongation of interchromosomal fibers. See, chromosomes start to move to polar region. Next phase is telophase. The daughter chromosomes which have gathered at each pole start to uncoil and indistinct. The nucleolus reappears and nuclear membrane is formed around each group of chromosome, forming two daughter nuclei. Spindle fiber disappears. Nuclear membrane again reappear, and thus the four nuclei get formed. After telophase second, the division of cytoplasm takes place. In a plant cell, the cell plate formation takes place by endoplasmic reticulum and dictyosome. They gathered at equator and fused to form cell plate. The four gametes, daughter cells, are formed. So this is all regarding the meiosis second. In the next incoming lecture, we will learn the significance or importance of meiosis in detail. Thank you very much.